Hey everybody, it's Saul from Soul Drummer. We've got a Learn Djembe online video for you today. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and like below. Also, we have an amazing online course called the Djembe Masterclass. There's a link below. It's packed full of video lessons from beginner to advanced to help you get confident on the djembe. So today we're going to do a really simple lesson for beginners. This is two really classic beginner djembe patterns. So I'm going to demonstrate both first, and then I'll break it down and we'll play them slowly together. Djembe 1. Djembe 2. Okay, so these rhythms would work together if you had a friend or you want to play with two different djembes. They're also really good for practicing your technique and just getting in the flow, and they will fit actually with many different 4/4 rhythms. So first up, the first djembe part. So we've got two bass notes on the first two beats. 1, 2, and then we come to the tone. We go tone, 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 tone. So I'm just simply alternating my hands as a right-handed, right, left, right, left. So if we put that together, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, excellent. So take it slow if you need to, but we're going to move on now to the second part. It sounds like this again. So this is a very common accompaniment that's used in many rhythms in West Africa, and it's a really classic pattern. So we start with our lead hand on the bass, and then we bring the lead hand back for 2 tones leading from there. Bass, tone, tone. One more time. 3, 4, go. Okay, from there we're going to use our lead hand again for the slap. So if you need to look at the video about the technique, practice the tone and slap, you can refer to that. Otherwise, we're going to go. So we go bass, tone, tone, slap, bass, tone, tone, slap. It's more dominant with the lead hand, this part. Alright everybody, there you have it, 2 beginners djembe patterns. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can, and check out the link for the Djembe Masterclass.